My name is Officer Parker, sir. You're not doing anything wrong. We just got a call about, I guess, somebody saw you talk to a store owner and they thought you were yelling.
No.
Oh, okay.
We weren't yelling at all. We were actually having a really awesome conversation.
That's
He loved the
cool.
fact that I'm a 20-year-old man coming out here and just practicing my Second Amendment rights and all my rights. I got his contact number and I was able to sort of talk to him. And I'm also running for precinct chair in that neighborhood. So I was just letting him know, hey, if you live in the neighborhood,
Man, we just
open
got
to
the
vote.
call.
I
You
understand.
know how it goes. We get the call.
Definitely.
We check it out. We just got to make sure you're good.
Yes.
And everything. And that, as you know, with the open carry, that you are lawful to carry.
Yes, sir.
As long as it is carried safely and not in an alarming manner.
Yes, sir.
What you're doing right now.
I didn't know that.
Oh, well.
I didn't know
Yes.
that.
And that's what I try to do, come out and educate.
That is
That's what my biggest
actually.
thing-
I'm a security guard.
Okay, yeah,
I
actually,
didn't know that.
he is well within his rights too. The only thing is we have to verify that he is lawfully able to carry a gun,
Right.
such as you're not a felon or anything like that.
Well,
right?
I'm not a felon.
Well,
but
I know
that's-
that,
Yeah,
but that would be the only thing, as
Yeah.
you know through the open carry,
definitely.
that there are certain individuals in the state of Texas that do not have the right to
Yes,
carry
definitely.
any type of firearm.
Well, the only problem is there actually is something in the law that forms that they can carry black powder pistols because they're not. But
That's not a black powder pistol.
No, no, definitely not. But yeah,
Making a point on
that
that.
still is a firearm though,
Yeah.
and you know,
Well, it's
I
all
don't think
that
anybody's gonna
definition
use one.
under
Oh,
that.
definitely, I agree.
So like I said, I'm just here. You know how it is. I'm just going to check, make sure you are lawful to him, and I'm getting out of your hair, okay,
Wonderful,
buddy?
dude. I appreciate the
May I please
professionalism.
have your ID just to verify who you are, sir?
You know what? I will do that. Normally, I will say no because
Oh.
I do know that is in my right not to give you my ID.
Yes,
but
sir.
since you've been very professional, I will do that. I'm going to turn off the
Okay.
video camera now
Thank
for
you.